am Venkat Lakshmi. I am 38 years old. I am born and brought up in Devasandra, which is located just nearby to KR Puram. I was neglected from my childhood because my parents don't wanted another baby as a female. So I have sister and a brother, but I was brought up by my uncle only. I should be thankful to him forever because he is the one who has taught me that there is no discrimination between a male and a female. At my home, there was no encouragement. So I was forced to drop out from the degree. My canteen and catering, everything was closed and I had nothing to eat for around 19 days. That particular canteen was a very good canteen and I used to donate many donations and I used to help orphanages and poor people who wants to study and continue their studies. But I myself became nothing and zero. So I thought of doing something to my family because I was the only breadwinner of the family. Whatever my husband used to send, it was not at all sufficient to repay the loans which were committed by us. So at that time I thought of thinking about the advocacy, but I didn't have money to eat. So how can I go and join a course, a very big course, a huge course that will be spent more, where we have to spend more for books and also fees. I thought of becoming an auto rickshaw driver and started my auto driving. So when I started auto driving, I have driven the auto for 13 years and continuously side by side I started to solve my own problems. Becoming a female auto driver is very difficult, especially in Indian society. Both mentally and physically we should be prepared well to face the society. The people will not think very easily that a female is driving for her livelihood. The people take it in other sense because almost all people are narrow-minded, even though they say that they are globalized. They are globalized in lifestyle, not mentally or socially. So it was a tough time to choose an auto rickshaw driving, but there was no other go for me. The only option left out for me was only auto rickshaw driving. So I have chosen it and continued my driving for 13 years. I used to leave home itself around 5:30 because we had airport in HAL at that time and I had many good trips in the morning. I used to finish those trips and while driving I continued my driving till my college, and I used to park my auto rickshaw over there and attend the classes from 7:30 to 10:30 morning, and again I used to continue my driving from 10:30 to night 10:30. While driving, I used to keep my law books and also guides, notes, everything in one big bag in my auto rickshaw, and wherever I used to park the vehicle, that itself was a library of mine. It was very difficult. I used to sleep only for 4.5 hours. Around 4.5 hours I used to sleep, but my daughter helped me a lot. She never disturbed me. She never cried that I need mother. She used to manage herself. But my husband came down to India in 2007. He was in Dubai. From that time, I was helped by him. I have crossed a decade in driving. So when I have started, the people used to discourage me more, and only few people used to encourage me. After 1 or 2 years or 3 years, when MNCs were more in Bangalore and many educated people came down and settled down here, then the people started to encourage me. People are ready to pay, but they are not getting the services properly. So at that point of time, I went and approached BJR Law College, Babu Jagjivan Ram Law College, and joined myself for the law course. I have joined my law course in 2005 and completed in 2012 May. After that, I enrolled myself in Bar Council of India and started to practice. Already almost 1 year is over and around 5 cases are settled in out of court, and they are all happy. My clients are happy and I am serving my level best. Whatever the profession that we opt, and wherever the people will work hard, that should be recognized. I don't think that they are demeaning me and they are saying that I am an auto driver. Yes, of course, I have driven an auto for my livelihood, and also I have given a very good service and best service rather than male people. So I am both proud to say that I was an auto driver and now I am an advocate also. They have mentioned both as Auto Venkat Lakshmi and also Lawyer Venkat Lakshmi. So we have to take it in an equal way. I have never disturbed the society. See, if we are culprits in the society or we are doing something against the society, means then we have to feel. So they are mentioning whatever the profession that I had done to achieve a law degree. So I am proud about it. Education is completely different from literacy. We can achieve degrees, but education is the thing which will make a person to understand his or her environment completely. So I convey my message to all women who are watching this to become an educated person. Read more newspapers, news channels, gain knowledge, be brave, don't get afraid of anything. It's a first and foremost duty of a mother to make our child or children to be good citizens of India. If they are good citizens of India, that is the best award what we are receiving. It is not an achievement that my daughter has become an advocate or my daughter will become a doctor or an engineer or a housewife. Whatever she becomes, she should be a good citizen and they should not harm the society and they also should not be harmed by the society. So that is the achievement of a mother. So I am working for her education and I am making her to be educated. Wherever the field that she will choose, let her go and do her services to the society. Only physical differences are between male and female. It is created in an environment by the God in order to balance the environment, that's it. But usually the society will think that girls are very weak and they can't do such things and these things. For example, in all fights and wars and everything from ancient time to this day, even though the military people say that we are forwarded and we are advanced and we don't believe in gods and all, they worship only Shakti Ma or Kali Ma before the war. And again, from ancient time, we can watch Kali, Durga, Chamundi, Durgi, and in South India they call Marama as a Shakti Devata. There is no discrimination between male and female, but our society made this discrimination to take an advantage against the girls, which should be rooted out by us.